How to use Spotify web player like a pro. If you want to enjoy Spotify without installing the app, the Spotify web player is a powerful and convenient option. To get started, go to open.spotify.com in any web browser and log in with your Spotify account. Once you're in, the interface looks just like the app, with access to your home feed, search, and library on the left side. You can easily browse playlists, play albums, or search for songs and artists directly from the top bar. If you're using the free version, you will hear ads, but you can still shuffle playlists and explore millions of tracks. To use Spotify web player like a pro, take advantage of keyboard shortcuts, manage playlists, and use the three-dot menu to add or share songs. You can also pin the tab by multitasking to keep music playing. It offers most app features, making it a convenient option right from your browser. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.